Well, I can hardly bear the sight of the lipstick on the cigarette there in the ashtray. Lying cold the way you left them, but at least your lips caressed them while you packed. And the lip print on a half-filled cup of coffee that you poured and didn't drink. Well, at least you thought you wanted it, and that's so much more than I can say for me. But what a good year for the roses. Many blooms still linger there. The lawn, it could stand another mowing. Funny, I don't even care. And as you turn to walk away, and that door behind you closes, the only thing I know to say: it's been a good year for the roses. After 3 long years of marriage, it's the first time that you haven't made the bed. I guess the reason we're not talking, there's just so little left to say we haven't said. While a million thoughts go running through my mind, I find I haven't spoke a word. And from our bedroom, the lonely sound of our one baby's crying goes unheard. But what a good year for the roses. Many blooms still linger there. The lawn, it could stand another mowing. Funny, I don't even care. And as you turn to walk away, and that door behind you closes, the only thing I know to say: it's been a good year for the roses.